A very good question, Shashank. So, say example, I had made one of I we run a program called Innovation Carnival at a bank level, and that program has not remained for my bank. Now we have partnered with the more than 60 corporates like IBM's, Microsoft, or some other banks like World Bank or even Mahindra, and there are some tech service providers like a Scienzy or a Karza are also part of these programs, and we work closely with at a time around 30 to 40 startups in tech. Now coming back, I think say example, one of the product which we co-created on a API model or on data model is like say example a bank, right? And on an open banking model, suppose a Tally or some kind of a Zoho, which is an accounting application which is for SMEs. Typically 70 to 80% India SMEs use Tally. Now just see like within a Tally, if I'm creating another bank kind of one window, say example, SME can choose whether to go for ICICI Bank or ABC Bank or XYZ Bank or a DCB Bank. Suppose he each selects a DCB Bank, the complete banking experience at DCB Bank appears inside Tally. So that's a really magical thing for that SME. He don't have to toggle between one application to another application. All of his finances, all of his transactions, all of his statements, he can really do it from a single window. So that's a open banking platform. One of the flavor of open banking, we are providing all the banking platform within a Tally or a Zoho or something like that. So that's one of the things which we are closely working with a few startups, I would say. And that product is rolled it out for more than 5 to 6 thousand of a SME customer as of now. So typically use of a right technology, use of a startup like who has a very good user experience, I would say. So say example, typically if I would have said with the help of a IT department of a bank, okay, let's build that product and let's build it out, roll it out in next 5 to 6 months. I think it's not possible in real time and practical scenario. We need to have a right another kind of a unit within a bank. So I think few of the banks have really started re digital transformation to have a separate arm for a lending or a typical digital transformation. Say example, Bank of Baroda recently launched, or SBI has recently announced for a YONO as a separate entity, or similarly like this. So for a normal bank, it's not easy to do that, right? So it's very good for us to collaborate with the right startup or a fintech. Say example, we have done this with a few of the fintechs, and I think that as you rightly saying, customer experience, right, or having a better user experience. I think for us at least we have really gained from this partnership, and we are looking forward for co-building many more such models on our open banking platform. At the same time, how do you utilize data, right? Say example, on this platform, suppose one of my SME is not really doing well, and I have a consent of utilize the data from that customer, utilize my data, so that if I'm going down in my finances, please come back and provide me some lending support. So that is real time available for my branch customer, sorry, branch officer. Say example, one of the SME belongs to in India, in Mumbai, in Borivali side. So relevant branch manager can really call him and say, sir, your finances are really not looking good as far as your data utilization on this platform which is built by DCB Bank. Are you looking for some kind of a funding? Of course, I think this gives a really very wow factor for that SME, coming out of just sitting for some lending support, and all of a sudden some banker is calling, and that product is built by a fintech which is being utilized by bank. So that the whole ecosystem is really going to get a momentum around this. So
Sure.
that's one example. You customer experience may not be only around UI and UX, but reaching out to the customer on right time for his services, that also could be a customer experience. I'm sitting in a shopping mall, and I'm going to buy something at a Vijay sales, and I don't have some much of a balance in my account. So how a bank sitting at a Chroma can like we have seen a lot of outlets, right? Local outlets by Bajaj Finserv or some of those Tata Capital, so on. I think how a bank can reach out and partner with some of these shopping malls and bring on a right kind of a lending experience. Again, an example of a partnership. So that may not be a app or some kind of experience for an end user, but it's a customer experience where your life cycle of a getting loan is reduced to down to some minutes or some hours based upon your score, or based upon your credit score, or based upon your credibility. So I think banks are understanding this whole game ecosystem, how to utilize multiple partners, how to utilize various APIs by the credit bureaus, or how to really utilize the partners, and how to really utilize the infrastructure which customer carries, like a mobile phone or a 24/7 internet which is available. So banks also become more wiser to really bring on much more needed experience for the customers.